Asal semua sebab bola ke apa? Okey, kita ada
Tak,
soalan daripada
bola
tuan.
dah habis tu.
Oh, dah habis dah. Kita ada
Lepas ni pukul
soalan
10.
kita ada soalan daripada tuan Boni. Okey, cikgu. AUD dovish Euro hawkish. Technically EA akan naik sampai mana ikut analisa cikgu? So, soalan untuk pair EA.
Okay, so saya share saya punya screen. Okay, so mungkin ada yang tak dapat tangkap apa yang Bonnie cuba bagi tahu, okay. Tapi secara ringkasnya apa yang Bonnie cuba bagi tahu, kalau AUD lemah, okay, Euro kuat, of course kita definitely by calculation pun kita nampak EA akan naik lah sebab AUD lemah, Euro kuat. Okay, that's one. Okay, so to answer Bonnie punya question, okay, I think we analyze this pair sometimes kat sini we said try to find the orang kata sell on rally ataupun sell on a resistance, but then this pair still bullish, okay, because on a bigger time frame, if you guys look at it, it was dropping quite a lot from almost about 168 all the way down to 152, so almost 1,600 pips dia jatuh, okay, and then it was making a retracement back again, and it was a bullish. It made a higher high dekat sini, okay. But since then it dropped almost about 400 lebih pip, okay. So I think we mentioned somewhere dekat sini, okay. Look for the support on the left side, okay. So there is a clear rejection, okay. So if you ask me, okay, I will be saying, okay, look for what do you call, on a bit more on the EA to go up, okay. Either come down to go up or it will be just going up, okay. I'm just looking at it, maybe somewhere if you're looking at it 1.6 another 100 pips ataupun another 150 pips somewhere here, okay. That looks more probable at this point, okay, because I'm looking at it, this support my hold and maybe this support my hold, okay. Worst case dia datang pun probably it make another double bottom or triple bottom, okay, you call it, okay, and then still push up. I think 1.59 ataupun 1.60, as long as it holds, I think we are still looking at it another 150 to 200 pips to go up here. Once it reaches here, we need to be a bit careful. Sama ada dia ada rejection dari sini ataupun we are looking at it the downtrend line from the top somewhere dekat 163, then only drop. So this is where you guys need to look at your technical part, okay. Look at the same like macam tadi saya rasa GU pun ada sampai, sama ada is going to go all the way big downtrend or reversal signal, or it's just a bit of retracement to push one more leg higher, then only go down. So these are the scenario as a trader we need to watch out, because that's why we have FIBO level 78 ataupun 88, okay, Jakarta level. So most likely it might do a deeper retracement at 38.2, this on the reversal, okay, or it might even go to 23.6, okay. In a similar case, macam dari atas ke bawah, it was making somewhere around 78 atau 88, okay. If you orang kata, if you look at from this to here, okay, so this might be, let me see, okay, kalau saya ambil dari sini ke sini, okay, if I draw all the FIBO, okay, it's almost at the deeper correction about what do you call, at the FIBO 38.2 ataupun reverse about 63%, okay. So it also might happen, it might make a deeper retracement back to around this zone ataupun this zone. So in a shorter time frame, I would say it's still, you can look for about 100 150 pips, okay. But there's a possibility it might drop a bit to test this support again, okay. If it holds, then we are talking about another higher low, and then break this, and then make a new higher high on this time frame. On the bigger time frame, same like we are talking about another lower high, ataupun you are talking about a head and shoulders pattern to go down, okay. So once it reaches here, you have to be careful, either you exit the market or you break even, and then there's a possibility it make another higher low and then goes up again. So this is where you guys need to make a decision what's your exit strategy, whether you want to do a break even or trading stop, or you want to exit the market totally. Okay, because that's why this level 78, 88.6 ataupun 38.2 or 22 rupees, whichever way you look at it, how you do a pivot retracement, that would be a two levels. Okay, there might be we need to look out for a reversal signal ataupun strong breakout. Okay.
Okey, terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, tapi saya ada soalan tambahan daripada segi analisa untuk pair EA ni. Tapi dari segi fundamental rasanya sepatutnya arah adalah ke atas kan?
Yeah, like what I mentioned for GA just now, okay, I'm expecting Aussie to weak temporarily, okay, and Euro to strengthen a bit, okay. So GA going up, okay. GA and EA sometimes have a positive correlation. So the similar analysis, GA I'm also expecting to go up a bit. So EA also I'm expecting to go up a bit.
Oh, so just short term lah, bukan yang
yeah, if you ask me, yeah, it's a short term because I don't see a clear structure for the time being. Like that's why I'm saying GA and EA, I'm looking about 150 pips to go up. Okay, once it reaches there, we need to relook market because GA and EA, I'm expecting both to be weakened in relative term to US dollar very soon. So it most likely GA, EA will be ranging within the triangle or within the symmetrical triangle ataupun pennant. It might make a pennant form, etc. So we have to wait. But what I know is US dollar, I'm looking at a bullish. So that structure for me is a bit more clearer than this cross pair for the time being.
Okay.
Unless something like we see comes up, maybe Aussie suddenly going to taper significantly, then we'll see EA goes up about 150, then we'll be dropping about 250, 300 pips. So we need to wait for more clues to come out from RBA ataupun Bank of kalau GA then Bank of England lah, kalau EA then ECB. We need to get more clues from this too. So that's why sometimes we need to understand it on the fundamental part. Okay. Although we probably know the longer term direction, but sometimes we need to wait for headline news so that we can trade the sentiment inside the the fundamental on the shorter time frame. Because for example, let's say ECB just said, the Lagarde said she's doing asset purchase, reduction in asset purchase. So we saw strength in Europe, but then immediately she came out and said that, oh, you saw the tapering is just a reduction in asset purchase on the pandemic plan or the pandemic thing. So then we saw Euro to weaken a bit in relative terms, but then we didn't see much move. So sometimes the news itself or the sentiment will be not so strong enough to give the breakout from the whatever trend the pair is going through.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid.